Have you ever wondered why you sometimes wake up feeling older than you did the night before? Stiff joints, heavy eyes, low energy, and you think, well, I'm just getting older. But what if I told you that aging isn't always just about the years going by? Sometimes it's about what you do before bed, a small habit that feels normal, but slowly wears you down. After 70, your body changes. It heals slower. It needs more rest. But most people don't realize that the hour before bedtime plays a huge role in how your body repairs itself. And sadly, many seniors are doing something every night that silently interrupts that process. Here's the truth. Once you hit 70, you need to stop stimulating your brain right before bed. Watching loud TV, scrolling through your phone, reading upsetting news, or even thinking too much about tomorrow's worries. These things might seem harmless, but they keep your brain awake, alert, and flooded with stress hormones, especially cortisol, which blocks your natural sleep hormone, melatonin. Without enough melatonin, your sleep becomes light and broken. And when sleep suffers, everything ages faster. Your skin, your muscles, your memory, even your mood. Let me share a story. There's a man named Henry, 74 years old. He used to stay up every night watching the late news and playing games on his tablet. Then he'd turn off the lights and try to sleep, but it took him forever to drift off. He thought it was just normal for his age, but when he replaced that habit with 30 minutes of quiet reading and soft music, his sleep improved within days. He felt stronger, clearer, even happier in the mornings. The secret isn't in doing something magical, it's in doing less before bed. Let your brain settle, let your body slow down. Give yourself a calm space where healing can begin. Tonight, try this. An hour before bed, turn off the TV. Put your phone away. Sit in a quiet room with low light. Sip warm tea, listen to soft music, or write down one nice thing from your day. Do this every evening, and your body will thank you. Because it's not just about how old you are. It's about how you treat yourself before you close your eyes. And sometimes, doing nothing is exactly what your body needs to stay young. You might be thinking, is it really that serious? I've been watching TV before bed for years. And you're right. It doesn't feel like a big deal. But as we get older, our bodies become more sensitive. What once felt harmless at 50 can quietly chip away at your health in your 70s and 80s. Here's why. The body relies on deep sleep to repair, rebuild, and reset. And deep sleep doesn't just happen because you're lying in bed. It begins long before your head touches the pillow. Your evening habit sends signals, either saying, time to rest or stay alert. When your brain gets the stay alert message too late in the day, it doesn't fully shut down. That's when you wake up feeling like you barely slept. And when that happens night after night, your body doesn't heal like it should. Think about it this way. Every night is like a mini reset. Your heart gets a break. Your joints recover. Your brain clears out waste. Your skin cells rebuild. But all of that only works when your body goes into true rest mode. Now imagine skipping that process. It's like leaving your phone unplugged all night and expecting a full battery in the morning. It just doesn't work. So what's the fix? You need a clear bedtime wind down. Something gentle, something consistent, and it doesn't need to be complicated. Even simple things like dimming the lights, turning off background noise, and taking a few deep breaths can work wonders. Another tip? Avoid eating right before bed. Late-night snacks can keep your digestion active when your body should be resting, especially sugar and processed foods. They raise your blood sugar, which then crashes and can wake you up in the night. Instead, if you need something, go for a small piece of banana, a few almonds, or a sip of warm milk. But keep it light. Your body will sleep deeper without the extra work. And here's something else. Screens are sleep's worst enemy after 70. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs tells your brain it's still daytime. Even if you don't feel it, that light is tricking your system, lowering melatonin, and keeping you in wake-up mode. So if there's one change to make today, it's this. Turn off screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Try replacing them with something softer. Listen to calming music, do light stretching, or simply sit and let your thoughts slow down. That stillness is powerful. It prepares your body for the deep rest it truly needs. Because aging doesn't happen all at once. It happens night by night, habit by habit. And when you give your body peace in the evening, it rewards you with strength, clarity, and calm in the morning. Maybe you've never thought about it this way, but your evening isn't just the end of your day. It's the beginning of how well you'll feel tomorrow. That's why what you do or don't do before bed matters more than most people realize, especially after 70, when your body no longer bounces back as easily as it used to. You've likely noticed it already. One bad night and suddenly your knees ache more. Your balance feels off. You're slower to get moving in the morning. It's not your imagination. It's the natural effect of a tired body that didn't get a chance to fully repair overnight. So let's look at a few more things that might be secretly aging you. Simple habits people over 70 do before bed without realizing the impact. First, talking about stressful things late at night. You might not think it's a big deal to bring up worries about your health, finances, or family right before sleep. But your brain doesn't just listen, it reacts. When you go over problems, even in a calm voice, your body still releases stress chemicals. That tension can stay with you all night, even if you fall asleep. Instead, try this. If something's on your mind, write it down in a notebook. Give yourself permission to deal with it tomorrow. You'd be amazed at how that simple act can calm your thoughts and help you let go for the night. Second, leaving bright lights on in the house. It seems innocent. Keeping the hallway light on, having the TV glow in the background, turning on the bathroom light full blast before brushing your teeth. But all of that confuses your body clock. Your brain needs darkness to produce enough melatonin. The more light you're exposed to, the harder it becomes to fall and stay asleep. So, about an hour before bed, start dimming the lights. Use softer lamps instead of bright overhead bulbs. Your body will start to get the message. It's time to rest. Third, not having a clear sleep signal. What does that mean? A sleep signal is a habit you repeat every night to tell your body, we're getting ready for rest now. It could be as simple as brushing your teeth, then stretching your arms, then sitting on the edge of the bed and taking 3 deep breaths. Do it every night, in the same order. That rhythm becomes a cue your body learns to recognize. Without that signal, bedtime can feel scattered or rushed, and your body needs that routine to shift gears into deep rest mode. And finally, going to bed too late. This one is tricky because many people after 70 stay up out of habit. Maybe you don't feel tired until midnight. Maybe you've always been a night owl. But here's the thing, your body still runs on a clock, whether you notice it or not. And research shows that the most restorative sleep for seniors happens earlier in the night, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's when your body repairs tissue, balances hormones, and clears out toxins from the brain. So even if you're not sleepy, it's worth starting your wind-down routine earlier. You might find that your body adjusts naturally and you begin to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling better. The truth is, good sleep is like a gift you give yourself. And every night is a chance to age better, not faster. It doesn't take a complete lifestyle change, just small shifts. A calmer hour before bed, softer lights, less screen time, no heavy conversations or late snacks, a little routine to ease your body into sleep. These things may sound simple, but they add up. And when your nights improve, so do your days. Because the way you age isn't just about what you do during the day, it's about how you let your body rest at night.